Welcome to Adaptive Recognition How-To video series. How to delete licenses. There are two steps involved in deleting the licenses from a hardware key. Clear licenses, save changes. Please note that only total deletion is possible. You can either delete everything or you leave all licenses on the hardware key. In order to start deleting licenses from the hardware key, click on Clear Licenses. A little message window appears, and behind it you notice that the Licenses field is now empty. Note that the licenses have not been deleted yet from the hardware key. To actually delete the licenses from the hardware key, click on Save Changes. Another message window will confirm the successful deletion of the licenses from the hardware key. Now the hardware key is ready for uploading newer licenses. If after viewing these videos you still can't solve the problem concerning your licenses on your own, don't hesitate to contact Adaptive Recognition. If you receive an error message, then contact technical support. Thanks for watching. For more videos, check our channel and don't forget to subscribe.